Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel. Today onwards we will see the Vision IAS test series for year 2021. This is the first test, that is polity test. Test number 1 we are going to see now. Let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following are not correct with reference to the national emergency? Option A. President can proclaim the national emergency only after receiving a written recommendation from the cabinet. This is true. Emergency can be extended for the infinite period of time with approval of parliament for every 6 months. This is also true. Resolution approving the proclamation of emergency must be passed by a majority of two-thirds of total membership of the house. This is not correct. If it could be the majority, simple majority, not two-thirds of the total membership of a house. So option C is not correct. Option D, revocation of national emergency does not require approval of parliament. So this is also correct. Here for question 1, option C is answer. Question 2, what could be possible reasons for democracy being the most prevalent and better than other form of government? 1. It provides for the stable form of government. It ensures quick and correct decision making. 3. It extracts accountability from the government. 4. It ensures the elimination of income inequalities. So here option B is correct. It extracts accountability from the government. This is the correct answer. Question 3. Which of the following fundamental rights are guaranteed by Indian Constitution under right of freedom? 1. Right to assemble peacefully. 2. Right to form association. 3. Right to strike or effective bargaining. D. Right to life and personal liberty. So after reading you will get to know option C is wrong. So remaining 1, 2 and 4 is correct. So here option C is correct. Question 4. In the context of seismic activity of the earth, which of the sums? A. Amount of energy related to the earthquake. B. Abrupt movement of geological material downhill in response to gravity. C. Numerous earthquakes that occur locally over an extended period without a clear sequence of high intensity main quakes. And D. A more or less continuous motion in the earth that is unrelated to the earthquake and that has a period 1 to 9 seconds. So here only option C is correct. According to the Swiss Seismological Service, forms are numerous earthquakes that occur locally over the extended period without a clear sequence of high intensity main quake preceded and succeeded by lower intensity foreshock and aftershocks, where seismic energy pipes up inside the earth and is released in a small amounts from the certain points. Such as series of earthquakes can be occur. Sometimes these are also accompanied by the acoustic or the sound emissions. So now we will move toward the question 5. Chok Ho was recently seen in the news is option A, bamboo dance of Mizoram. Option B, black rice variety of Mizoram. Option C, traditional headgear of Assam. Option D, Buddhist festival of the Sikkim. So here Chokko Ho is the black rice variety of Manipur. Therefore option B is correct. Question 6. Why India is described a union of state rather than federation of states? So the Indian Federation is result of agreement among the state. No, this is not correct. Indian Federation is not a result of agreement among the state like American Federation. So it is a wrong option. B or option 2, state have not right to secede from the federation. This is correct, absolutely correct. The state have no rights to secede from the federation. Federation is a union because it is indestructible. The country is an integral whole and divided into the different states only for the convenience of the administration. Now Question 7. In India decides to cede territory to any of its neighbor, which of the following would be used by the parliament? Select an correct answer for using the code. So for this, only the article 368 we can use when India decide to cede territory to any of its neighbor. Article 368 is only a correct option. So here question 7 correct answer is option C. Now we will move towards the question 8. Consider the following statement about the Central Bureau of Investigation. First, it deals only with the cases of corruption and economic offenses. After reading, you will get to know this is not correct, because it is not only deals with the cases of corruption and economic offense. With this, it can be seeing the kidnapping cases, hijacking cases, crimes committed by the extremist, violation of Official Secret Act, large scale of banks, insurance fraud, etc. So option 1 is wrong here. The CBI functioning is superintended by the Central Vigilance Commission, where the offences being investigated under the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. So this is correct option. So second option is correct. For eighth, answer is B, that is 2 only. Now we will move towards the question 9. C. Consider the following statements. The minor forest producers has been defined under the Indian Forest Act 1927. And 2. The Government of India announces the minimum support price for the various minor forest produces on the recommendation of Commission for the Agriculture Cost and Prices, CACP, which statement or above is correct. So here not 1 not 2, neither A and neither 1 or not 2. So option D is correct here. Maximum seats in the Lok Sabha are 552. However, there are total 544 members. If only 300 members are present at the time of voting, then constitutional amendment bill under Article 368 must be supported by minimum 273 members only. So correct answer is 273. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video we will see the questions from 11 to 20. Thank you so much.